G'day cocktail lovers. I recently made a cocktail called a new Port Codebreaker, and I said as I made it, this seems like it would make a good clarified cocktail. And that's what I've gone and done, milk clarified, so it must mean it's time for Milk Port Monday! It's a nice reddish pink colour, and that comes from the fact there is blood orange juice in here. It's normally a yellow to orange colour when I do a clarified cocktail, but some strong colours will come through. Like if you use blue curacao, it will come out a bluey green colour. This one with the blood orange juice has come out this nice rosy colour. The new Port Codebreaker has a lot of orange juice in it, and as we're just coming into blood orange season in Australia, I thought there's an excuse. I'm going to get some blood oranges. I'm going to make my annual blood orange liqueur that I have been making the last couple of years, but then I'll have a lot of blood orange juice left over because I don't put that much juice in the liqueur. So I thought I'm going to make the new Port Codebreaker with blood orange juice. The spirits in the original cocktail are tequila and Navy strength rum. In the original where I made it, I used Smith & Cross Jamaican Navy strength rum, which is a great flavour. For the milk clarified one, I'm using this one. This is a spice rum, which means it's not really a rum, and it's a very strongly fruit flavoured one. This particular line of spirit drinks made with rum has different fruit themes. Banana bomb, this is passion fruit grenade. It's high proof, and it happened to be on a really good special. So given the clarification process softens flavours, I thought this one with its additional quite artificial flavours would actually serve the clarification process well. The original drink also has Advocaat and cream of coconut in it. So I made the decision for the milk part of the milk clarification, it was actually going to be a blend of Advocaat and cream of coconut and dairy milk. And I made 200 mils of that. I made a big bottle of it rather than just doing one cocktail. Mixing the Advocaat and the cream of coconut with the milk is going to give it much more flavour than simply using milk. And then I add the spirits and the blood orange juice to that, which results in this, which tastes... It tastes really good. The fruit flavours from this spiced rum really carry through. It has an almost rock candy flavour to it, and I have to admit, when I was clarifying it, the aroma that was coming off the drink was very strong too, in a good way, and it's come out quite well. I'll show you how I made it. In a jug, I put 200 mils of reposado tequila, then 200 mils of the Navy strength spiced rum, and then 200 mils of blood orange juice. Late addition, on a whim, I also added 200 mils of last year's blood orange liqueur. It was the last of that batch. With those elements combined, I poured it into the milk mix, giving it a bit of a stir as I added it, and then you simply let that sit until the separation happens. Usually happens quite quickly. You can leave it for half an hour to an hour if you want. There's really no need to leave it longer than that. Once the separation is happening, I pour that through a paper coffee filter in a funnel, and you let it run through for a while because it's the curds that do the hard work of the clarifying, and they need to settle to the bottom of the filter. So the first amount that runs through will be a bit cloudy. You let it run through for a while, and when it looks clear, then you tip that lot back through. Alternatively, if you're doing a smaller batch or you're very patient, you can pour the whole lot through more than once. And when you have your clarified cocktail, all you need to do is pour that over ice in a rocks glass. This is of course a golden moment for the sexy clear ice. And I thought to make it look pretty, I'd do a garnish, just a simple one, a twist of orange peel. All of which leads to this rather manly looking pink drink that I am really enjoying. Now, the blood orange juice, I know the bloody Codebreaker, that's as good a name as any, I think. It's really tasty. I can't emphasize enough, if you make a milk clarified drink, it is going to soften the flavors. So use bold flavors when you do it, and it'll still taste totally different. I love it. Sometimes people say, why would you do that? You're doing a clarified version, just do the original cocktail. I'm doing it to have something different, to have a bit of fun. And honestly, I think a well-made clarified cocktail tastes amazing. It's different, it's extremely different to whatever the base cocktail is, but life needs variety as far as I'm concerned. Variety is the spice of life, and this is adding some spice to my life. I hope it adds some spice to yours as well. Hope you look after yourself. Come back and again, see me sometime. I'll make some more cocktails. Until I do see you again, I'll say cheers.